Everybody, welcome back to Chapman True, and on this episode of Chapman True, Outer Banks.
Why does your face look like that?
Ask God that.
God doesn't make you make your face like that.
The point is, we want to introduce you to one of our latest projects. This was our second
long distance renovation. Dun dun dun!
If you look back at some of our older videos, we did one in Pigeon Forge area of Tennessee. That was a fun project. Turned that into a short-term rental. That was great. But it was time to do another one, you know?
Yeah.
Trying to build a portfolio, get some things to hold on to, some things that we can, cherish. Mm-hmm. Cherish for years to come.
Yeah, just keep holding on to it.
Yeah, like our love.
Mm. So we decided to do another long distance renovation for our portfolio, something that we can hold on to.
Yeah, and it was simple, right?
No renovation is ever really super simple. Pigeon Forge, I feel like, was a good one. Yeah, mm-hmm. I feel like that went pretty smooth in general. So we had a lot of confidence just going back at it again. Mm-hmm. But no, this one is. I think it's what happens when you have your first baby and it's really nice and easy and calm, and you're like, well, let's just have another one. We could do this again. This is so easy. We're the best parents ever. And then the second one comes out and
it's Satan.
Total jerk.
Speaking of all these things, let's dive in and look at this project. OBX, Chapman True, coming at you. So there it is. That was our latest long distance, short term rental renovation, and it was a great experience. By great experience, I mean it was very difficult,
A lot of lessons.
A lot of lessons.
Yeah. Made it happen.
Made it happen, you know.
Got lots of stories.
Lots of story. Pogue Life, OBX, Chapman True.
No.
John B, holla at your boy.
John B, this is the big one, kid.
What's wrong with you?
John B might be watching from Outer Banks.
John B is not watching our YouTube channel.
So that was our Outer Banks experience. Not quite the same as the show, but we're enjoying it. But we're gonna go out there, spend some time, maybe get some video of that, and we're gonna talk to you about the ins and outs of kind of what it took, the details going into that project, and just show it to you and let you know there's more to come from this property along the way.
Basically, we took a dilapidated 80s short-term rental with beautiful views and pretty bones and gave her a facelift. So it'll be fun to talk about it and all the craziness that went on with that project. So.
Good bones. It's got good bones.
Good bones.
Good bones. That's what they always say. It's got good bones.
Pretty.
So thank you guys very much for hanging out with us again. We'll see you guys next time on Chapman True. Take care. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, do all the things they say to do on YouTube, and follow this journey. Thank you guys very much. See you next time.